Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy. Do you want to easily and quickly upgrade the look of your engine bay in your BMW? I'll show you how. All right, so let's talk about this project a little bit and the reasons why you might want to do this for your car. Now, this is going to work for the new M2, M3, or M4, so the entire G8X line. Now, one of the most common things in BMWs for quite a number of years now is the engine vanity cover, that piece of plastic that goes over the top of your motor. Now, you may like the way that looks, or you might want to upgrade it. So I picked up the carbon fiber engine cover, that vanity engine cover from Kies Motorsports. This is going to be a really quick and easy install. Now, the only drawback to the G80s is that we have a crossbar that goes right over the top of our vanity cover, so we do need a couple of tools rather than just raising the hood and pulling it off and putting the new one on. But this is going to be a really quick upgrade, and I want to walk you through the process. So go ahead and pop the hood and let's get started. All right, guys, so let's walk through this. This is, like I said, this should be about a 5-minute upgrade for you. Now, I've got a few little differences in my engine bay that I'm gonna talk to, but we'll talk through what it would be with the OEM setup. Now, obviously this is your vanity cover and it's not gonna come off unless you pull your cross strut bar. Now, if you have the OEM bar, you have two 15mm nuts here at this end. So I've got a 15mm socket. If you have an M3 or an M4, they're not covered by the plastic here. They're easily exposed. You can get right to them. With my M2, you can just kind of pull the cover up a litll bit and get to that 15mm. Now, I also have some upgraded bolts, so I've got two 13s on the inside, and obviously the Kies strut brace here, but the process is exactly the same. So go ahead and just pull the 15s here and here and here and here, pull off your center strut, and then go ahead and lift your vanity cover off. All right, so once you have those nuts off, you can just simply lift your crossbar off, like I said, whether you have the OEM one or not. And then your vanity cover just lifts straight off these rubber posts. So go ahead and just lift up gently and it should come right off. Now, the other thing we're going to be doing, so when you look at this, we're going to be transferring some parts. So you've got your M badge here in the center with these little metal flanges. We're going to very, very carefully bend upwards. What you don't want to do is break them. Worst case scenario, we can use some 3M adhesive, but we'd prefer not to do that. But go ahead and pull your existing vanity cover off and transfer 1, 2, 3, 4, the rubber grommets, and very gently pull up the metal flanges here to get your M badge off. So for the rubber grommets, all you're going to do is just kind of pinch them out. They'll ease out of the existing fittings and then fit them back into place. You've got 3 larger ones and 1 smaller one here. Obviously, they only go to one place. Now, one thing I am going to do with the badging. Now, this metal is thin aluminum, and I can already feel some crease marks like right here. Like, I wouldn't be surprised when I bend this one back, no matter how carefully I do it. I wouldn't be surprised if that one breaks. So what I've done is I've taken a little bit of double-sided adhesive. This is really strong double-sided adhesive. I've laid it on the inside. Plus, I'll be honest with you guys, I hate rattles. So I'm just gonna pull the backing off this, slide it in through here, slowly, carefully bend the fingers down, but I also know that that adhesive is going to keep it on really strongly as well, and there won't be any issues. Okay, so go ahead and get the grommets transferred and get your badge transferred, and then we're just going to put it right back together. Told you guys this is an easy one. So once you get all that transferred and you've got those grommets transferred, go ahead and just fit it right back into place. It should go just right where it came from before. Fit it down on its grommets, just like that. There we go. All right. Just like that. And it's going to look really good with the Kies strut bar too. So now, when you put your strut bar back on, you're going to need a torque wrench. Those nuts at either end are 28 Newton meters. So go ahead and put your back strut bar back on, torque those nuts down to 28 Newton meters, and you're done. Good job. All right, y'all, and as you can tell, this is about a 5-minute install, super simple, and everything you need will be listed in the video description below, so make sure to check that out. So thank you so much to Kies Motorsports. They're such a fantastic company. Brian and all of his team are great people. They have great products, and they are always the first one I go to. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please make sure to click like and subscribe. It makes a huge difference to my channel, and I would truly appreciate it. I have a ton of new content coming, new model reviews, events, new DIY projects, you name it, lots coming. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next project.